Want to boost your aim, speed, and overall gaming performance? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best gaming mice on Amazon, perfect for FPS, MMO, and competitive play. From ultra-responsive sensors to customizable buttons and lightweight designs, these mice give you the precision and control you need to win. Stick around to find the best one for your setup. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome gaming gear every week. At number 1 we have UTech Smart Wireless Gaming Mouse. 16 customizable buttons can improve your gaming skills and performance by complex custom button macro coding of reconfiguration and assignment. The button custom function combines multiple keys into one button that reduces your arsenal of spells, actions, and response time. UTech Smart Venus Pro RGB Wireless MMO Gaming Mouse is a new revolution of RGB MMO gaming mouse. It has 2.4 GHz data transmission technology with a mini signal receiver, nano, and stable 1.5 meters wire transmission that provides professional level performance. UTech Smart Venus Pro Wireless RGB MMO Gaming Mouse has a special auto sleeping mode and low power consumption mode or extending the battery life of wireless mode. Large battery, 1000 mAh, capacity which offers to recharge over 300 times in single 2 hours fully charge. Thousands of customers and professional gamers have tested and verified its function. Venus Pro has a UTech Smart Custom PixArt PMW3335 Ultra Accurate Optical Sensor. At number 2 we have Asus ROG Spatha X Gaming Mouse. Dual mode connectivity, experience lag-free gaming via low latency 2.4 GHz RF wireless or USB-C wired modes. 12 programmable multi-buttons, engineered for elite MMO gamers, dominate MMO and mobile game titles such as World of Warcraft, WoW, with this macro mouse, featuring 6 strategically positioned side buttons and advanced customization options. Ergonomic design for PC and Mac, a large, comfortable shape with RGB lighting as well as flexible ROG paracord, low friction feet for smooth glides. Hot swappable switches, ROG micro switches offer consistent click force and a 70 million click lifespan, while exclusive push-fit switch sockets allow you to customize click force and extend the lifespan of the mouse. High accuracy with instant adjustment, the industry-leading 19,000p optical sensor plus a 1000 Hz polling rate in both 2.4 GHz and USB-C wired modes deliver pixel-perfect tracking. The DPI on the scroll feature lets you easily adjust the sensitivity of the wireless mouse, no software needed. At number 3 we have Red Dragon Wireless Gaming Mouse. Red Dragon Wireless Gaming Mouse. All buttons can be programmed with the driver and support macro editing. You can remap the buttons, assignment of complex macro functions, change RGB backlit effects, and adjust DPI to fit your different needs. You can easily adjust the moving speed and experience a smooth, fast response and accurate tracking gaming experience. Up to 9 RGB light effects can be chosen. You also can adjust backlit effects with 16.8 million color combinations by drivers to create your fancy gaming environment and match your game style and desktop layout. The rechargeable mouse has a long battery life between 35 hours, RGB on, and 70 hours, RGB off, on a single charge, providing you with non-stopping use. It will auto-sleep after 1 minute of inactivity for power saving. The wireless mouse gaming also can be used while charging. The mouse gaming with an ergonomic design and skin-friendly material will provide you with a comfortable grip and soft touch, effectively relieving fatigue during long-time gaming. At number 4 we have Mad Catz Gaming Mouse. RAT8 Plus customization goes beyond the physical. Regardless of your preferred style of play, every aspect of the sensor, button output and lighting can be tweaked to enhance performance. Take your RAT8 Plus to a new dimension of customization with 2 independent RGB illumination zones. Using the preset themes you can control the speed of the LED effects. Fine-tune your color and lighting to make your R.A.T. the centerpiece of your gaming rig. All gamers are different. The RAT8 Plus is precision engineered, making key parts of the product adjustable to enhance and improve your playing style. The RAT8 Plus has an adjustable palm rest, pinky rest, thumb rest and weight system. Armed with the top-of-the-range PixArt PMW3389 optical sensor, the RAT8 Plus is capable of keeping up with extreme movement speeds of up to 400 inches per second and 50 g of acceleration. This is crucial for ensuring that all snapshot reflexes and fast tracking movements are lag-free. At number 5 we have Red Dragon 9 Macro Buttons Gaming Mouse. Red Dragon Wireless Gaming Mouse with 2.4 GHz nano receiver offers you the purest mouse moving experience and hype your KDA rise again. The rechargeable wireless mouse has a battery life between 13 hours, RGB on, and 170 hours, RGB off, on a single charge. The Red Dragon mouse geared with 5 onboard DPI levels, 1000/2000/4000/8000/16000, which allow your mouse movements to be registered to each pinpoint location. 5 DPI levels are free to DIY with software or directly on the mouse, enabling gamers to switch swiftly in-game. Equipped with the PAW 3335 optical PixArt sensor, the mouse consumption is further optimized with a 1000 Hz polling rate in dual mode. A durable rechargeable battery keeps the mouse working for up to 170 hours at maximum. The ergonomic mouse, all 9 programmable buttons are editable with customizable tactical keybinds in whatever game or work you are engaging. 1 rapid fire plus 2 side macro buttons offer you a better gaming and working experience. At number 6 we have Gravastar M1 Pro Gaming Mouse. Stay connected, stay unbeatable. With the COOREL Speed wireless technology, the M1 Pro offers versatile connection options, from the ultra-fast 2.4G to the agile Bluetooth, down to the steadfast wired connection. Coupled with prolonged battery life, this mouse ensures you're always ready, always dominant. Triple mode COOREL Speed, 2.4G, Bluetooth and wired, switch instantly between ultra-fast 2.4 GHz, low latency wired, or agile Bluetooth modes. With up to 200 hours battery life, the M1 Pro keeps you connected and unbeatable match after match. 26,000 DPI sensor and 4K polling rate, unseen advantage, engineered with the PAW 3395 sensor, enjoy ultra-smooth tracking, pixel-perfect accuracy and blazing fast 4K polling for split-second response in every fight. At number 7 we have MOUNTUP Wired Gaming Mouse. Customize your gameplay with 6 adjustable DPI levels, 1200, 2400, 4800, 6400, 9600 and 12800. Switch DPI instantly with a click, each level indicated by a different LED color. Ideal for FPS, mobile and competitive gamers who demand accuracy and speed. Enhance your gaming setup with 12 dynamic LED lighting modes. Choose between static, breathing or rainbow effects for an immersive look. Perfect for streamers and players who want their gear to stand out. Designed with a non-slip rubber scroll wheel and ergonomic shape that fits naturally in your hand. Provides comfort and reliable grip during long sessions while reducing fatigue. Built for quick, smooth movements and lasting performance. This lightweight gaming mouse is ideal for gamers who want agility and comfort without compromising durability. The -5.6 feet braided USB cable delivers a stable, lag-free connection. Great for esports, streaming and daily use. At number 8 we have Razer Viper V3 Gaming Mouse. Engineered for elite competitive play, the Viper V3 Pro, Counter-Strike 2 Edition is the ultimate weapon for rushing. Be designed in collaboration with world-class esports pros. The Viper V3 Pro's perfectly balanced ultra-lightweight design allows gamers to make swift, precise flicks that match every intention. Experience pro-grade tracking performance on a wider variety of surfaces including glass, supported by intelligent functions and 1 DPI step adjustments for more granular aim and control. By combining Razer Hyper polling with the ultra-smooth connection of Razer Hyper Speed, experience flawless wireless performance with a true polling rate of up to 8000 Hz. With an optimized dongle design that makes zero compromises on connection, enjoy top-tier wireless performance that remains smooth and reliable even in noisy tournament environments. From an improved 90 million click life cycle with zero double-clicking issues, to a blistering 0.2 milliseconds actuation with no debounce delay, enjoy reliability and speed that outshines all others. At number 9 we have SteelSeries Aerox 9 Gaming Mouse. Stunning RGB, radiant 3-zone prism sync RGB shines in 16.8 million configurable colors. Ultra lightweight, purposefully designed holy shell reduces weight to 89 grams for effortless, fast gameplay. Aqua barrier, mouse interiors are shielded from water splashes, dust, and dirt, technology rated IP54. 18 programmable buttons, execute the toughest rotations and instantly access plenty of shortcuts with a 12-button side panel. Performance to outlast you, extensive 180-hour battery life enabled by lag-free Quantum 2.0 wireless technology with 2.4 GHz for gaming and Bluetooth 5.0. Next-gen switches, golden micro IP54 switches last longer than a lifetime for crispy clicks, with added dust and water resistance. Pixel-perfect accuracy, great true move air optical gaming sensor co-developed with PixArt. At number 10 we have Gravastar Mercury Pro Gaming Mouse. Innovative hollow skeleton design, maximized airflow with a durable, lightweight magnesium alloy frame to keep your hand cool and dry during intense gaming sessions. Precision with 32,000 DPI sensor. PAW 3950 sensor offers ultra-accurate tracking, ideal for both fast-paced FPS and precision-demanding mobile games. Ultralight and ergonomic, weighing only 49 grams, the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue even in long gaming sessions. Customizable buttons in RGB, fully programmable buttons in RGB lighting via customizable software, allowing you to tailor your setup to your unique playstyle. Tri-mode connectivity, enjoy flexible connectivity options with Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, or wired, perfect for any gaming setup.